Hey guys, just want to make a quick video here. Bought this engine off eBay. It's technically a scrapping yard that posted it up, but just want to show you guys what it comes with and why sometimes I consider it and why you should. I mean, basically you get everything, and the best thing about it is it's a running engine, so you don't have to be guessing and thinking if it's gonna work or not. And they're tested and they're guaranteed to work. So always look for reviews, obviously, and a wrecking yard that has a good reputation on there. So I always look for that. What you get is what you see pretty much here. The only thing that didn't come with this is the engine mounts, alternator, AC compressor, tensioner, but everything else it did. So, and I did take off the intake manifold on here. So a benefit about that is you'll have spare parts. So I'm gonna put the parts that came with the engine. What's good thing about having all these spare parts is you can always sell them. Sell the other ones that you knew were working. Like this throttle body, I could probably post it back up on eBay and make my money back on that. Make some money back on that. Other stuff like this intake manifold. Oh yeah, it also came with this power steering pump. You can also get some money back from that. And the engines and transmissions always come, came with this seat belt here, strapped up, and with couple of other things. This tire, they always have a tire on top of a pallet, so you'll have a whole pallet to get down. When you get it shipped, I tell the seller that I'm gonna pick it up. So I go to the freight terminal, the closest to my house, work with them, work with the people selling it to you. So if you have questions, always communicate with them. That's always a good thing. So yeah, tell them you want to pick it up. That'll save you $100 for the lift gate service is what they call it. So I always pick it up. You pull up and they'll grab a forklift and put it in the back of your truck. If you want them to validate your warranty, you have to switch out the seals, gaskets, all the fluids. So that includes transmissions as well. And you just have to read their ad pretty well, see where they're coming from. This other engine over here is the one I ordered. It was coming from New Jersey. Usually from New Jersey, some of the engines can be really rusted, so if you can, ask them for even more pictures, just so you know what you're getting. But anyway, this is what it looks like. But yeah, I mean, as you can see, this is already has signs of leakage, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch that out. But like I'm saying, some of the wrecking yards here that have engines at work or transmissions at work charge about $200 more. So ordering on eBay, you can save yourself $200, which in my opinion is not bad. Some of them have lower mileage. And by the way, I'm not talking about the wrecking yards that you take the parts out yourself. I mean, obviously that's gonna be a lot cheaper. So yeah, guys, that's all I gotta say. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment. I'll answer back as fast as I can. So let me know. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up like always. Consider subscribing, share, all that good stuff. Thanks.